Welcome to our Countertop Ice Machine Showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular models, the DUMOS Ice Maker and the Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Maker. Both machines promise to deliver ice quickly and efficiently, but which one truly stands out? Let's dive into the details and find out which ice maker is the best fit for your needs. We'll explore their performance, size, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Both the DUMOS and Sweetcrispy ice makers excel in performance, producing approximately 26 pounds of ice within 24 hours. They both generate 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes every 6 minutes, making them ideal for parties or gatherings. Users can expect a steady supply of ice, ensuring that drinks stay cool and refreshing. When it comes to size, the Sweetcrispy model takes the lead with its compact and lightweight design, making it easier to fit into smaller spaces. In contrast, the DUMOS, while slightly larger, offers a built-in carry handle that enhances its portability. This makes the DUMOS a great choice for those who plan to move their ice maker around frequently. In terms of value, the DUMOS ice maker is priced at $69, making it a more budget-friendly option compared to the Sweetcrispy, which retails for $79. While both machines offer similar features and performance, the DUMOS provides a better price point for those looking to save money without compromising on quality. In conclusion, both the DUMOS and Sweetcrispy ice makers are excellent choices for anyone in need of a reliable countertop ice machine. The DUMOS offers better value with its lower price and larger water tank, while the Sweetcrispy shines in its compact design and lightweight build. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and preferences. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.